Hey friends, it's Beth from Rekindle Blessings. Let's make a beautiful patriotic tea set. First I went in with the color Starry Night from Paint Pixie. Well, first of all, I put a primer on here, put Bonding Boss. Then I went in with a white from Dixie Belle. The red is called Crimson Tide. It's a metallic paint from Paint Pixie. And then I put the stripes or the checks on there, and then I'm adding a transfer from Essential Stencil. This is one of their patriotic transfers. It is so pretty, y'all. Anyway, we're going to add some of the antique gold liquid leaf around this edge. Y'all, I'm a little rusty not doing my videos here lately. Anyway, on this tea set, we put Bonding Boss, then we went in with Dixie Belle white paint, and then we're adding some Crimson Tide to this. The stripes, we are doing the opposite direction of what we put on the tray. I think this is going to be so precious, you guys. I just go all the way around 3 times with a nice big band. Y'all, this is going to be so precious. Anyway, we're going in with the Starry Night on the lid. You guys, this is, I think it's pretty stinking patriotic. It's absolutely adorable. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments whether you guys enjoy this or not. We put dots on it for the to represent the stars. And then I went through and I waxed the tray and the teapot both with some wax because it just looks so new. And we're adding a transfer from Essential Stencils to the teapot as well, you guys. And then we're going in with our gold and doing our striping on the teapot. We already had the Bonding Boss on these two. We're doing the Starry Night and the Crimson Tide on these as well. Y'all know how I separate these up. You've seen me do it 1,000 times. And if you don't know, ask me and I'll let you know. Anyway, the dots, like I said, represent the stars, and we're using the transfer on this one, these two as well. We are going to wax this really good. Make sure you wipe your wax off really well. Let it dry before you go to putting your transfers on. Y'all, you get 2 sheets of these transfers from Essential Stencil. They're amazing. I will put them in the description of this video so that you guys can get yours if you would like to have some. Make sure that you use the code Blessings 10 to get your 10% off of your transfers. And I'm just wiping that wax down really well, adding a transfer here. Y'all, this was so much fun to do. I've done this over the last couple of days, and I wanted you guys to see the process, so I decided to make a video and make it into a fast video for you guys. It turned out so pretty. And I have to say, this is probably one of my favorite ones. I'm not going to say it's the favorite, but it's one of my favorite ones because I've never done a patriotic one before. And we are using the liquid leaf on the feet and the handles of this little sugar bowl. And we will use it on the lid and then around the lid to separate the 2 colors, and then we're going to use it on the feet and the spout and the handle of the creamer. So pretty. Oh, and I also do it on the inside because anytime I have something without a lid, I always try to paint gold to match the project, because if not, then you're going to have silver showing. But if it has a lid, I do not paint it on the inside. But there it is, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Do me a favor, you guys, spread the blessings. Send this out there so everyone can see what we're doing here at Rekindle Blessings. Thank you all for joining me, and have a blessed day.